Yeah, so today our topic is we are going to understand. We are not going to read or get any other trainings. We are going to understand. This topic is awareness about internet, website, social media, and digital marketing. So today, this all each and every one of you using directly or indirectly the social media and Zoom virtual platform like Zoom, various platforms you are using. I think all are comfortable in the Zoom. I think so. So in this, there is a many plus or minuses are there, and most of them well known about how to use it, and most of them middle, and most of them maybe have the maybe very low level of knowledge in that. It's not the big issue. This is not the rocket science. So only thing you interest need, you have to learn it. So in that, I am taking the first that is reach your peak. That is a slogan for today meeting. So I have to say about mine. I am Senthil Kumar Subramanian, working as a chief information officer, particularly almost 25 years of experience in the organization of manufacturing, education, healthcare, and in India and abroad. My specialization is IT infrastructure and software solutions, website development consultation, social media, digital marketing, technology training, network and fiber, cybersecurity and cyber law, Lean Six Sigma trainer, black belt certified. So I am doing that and all. So this is my some short information I want to know about me. I'll go to my next screen. Today our topics, what you are going to do today, it's another maybe I also think so maybe whatever minutes they gave, I will try to complete in that time. Today our topic is, today wherever you go, there is talking about the some key buzzwords like internet, websites, domain names, social media, digital marketing. This all is new words to the common maybe people, non-technology peoples, but we have to understand, we have to use it of a day-to-day life year after. So now we have to, I am a list of some of the topics. So understanding of internet, difference between the internet and the web, understanding websites, understanding domain names and extension, different types of websites, social media, digital marketing, cybersecurity awareness, and social media demo if time permits. Right. So first we have to understand, generally you all aware is for any internet access, you need a computer like that. First of all, you understand computer expansion also. Is a computer expansion is nothing but a commonly operated machine, particularly used for trade, education, research. This is the thumb rule of computer. So wherever is, even if you want to teach your children, you tell them what is a computer. There is nothing rocket science. Only thing is each and every characters become a explanation about that. Is a commonly operated machine, particularly used for trade, education, research. So you don't want to go for some history like that and all, so then we can get into that. For accessing the internet, what you need is a computer, laptop, or mobile devices today, any, and internet connection, mobile data or broadband connection. You are aware about that, you are using through your mobile, or you are using the broadband connection like Airtel or Jio like that. And apart from what you need, network connection, particularly wired one, through wire only you are going to connect, or maybe a Wi-Fi router, through Wi-Fi router. So everywhere we are telling Wi-Fi, right? Is a wide fidelity is expansion. This router only is giving the Wi-Fi connection for your mobile devices inside. Actually, you may say, I will show the diagram also how it is. Just understand what is what. Because if you want to drive the vehicle, you understand what is the basic information, what is the gear, what is the thing, and you should know the driving. That's all. You not need to go for in depth of all these some thousands of spare parts inside the vehicle. You have to understand such a way. I am taking to the next step. There is the mobile, then mobile number and email ID need to register freely and access any social media. For example, for any social media, definitely they will ask about to you about the your Gmail, any email ID, and your mobile number. This is the that is a login username they will ask, because they want to understand who you are. Because you have to first you have to create a Gmail. For example, you are creating Gmail. That is a few clicks within 1 or 2 minutes. You can finish your creating email ID. This is a necessary. In that they will ask your name and your date of birth. If need, you give right one, then otherwise you give approximate one, and give you, they will ask the mobile number. This a mobile number, email ID is the very necessary for all the access of your internet oriented things. And then you should understand while using the technology, whatever is a good one, at the same time the bad one also is there. Okay, so you should understand what the do's and don'ts of social media, because in India we are not for strictly following any security oriented factors. In abroad, so they will very cautious about that. If the site is not secure, they won't go into that. In India, we are not doing that, because we are just clicking escalate it and getting into that. So immediately that threat will sit in your laptop or mobile device. All the information will go from your device to outside. Are you hearing, sir? Rajesh sir? Hello?
Yes, Senthilji, you are audible.
Yes, somebody say some yes or no, then I can let you know. So people are there.
Yes, you are
Okay,
audible.
okay, okay.
Okay, great. Anybody say need any want to clarify, they can ask raise question in between also. I can explain. Okay. So right, I am continuing that.
One suggestion, Senthilji, we can put answering session at the end of this.
Great, great, great. No problem. See, this is you can understand. You see, this is see the diagram. That's all. This is how is your internet is coming. There you are seeing the internet cloud, your right side center. The internet coming out of the from your out of that maybe from your house. The cable is coming into this from the outside, and they are putting in your router inside your home. That is the ADSL fiber router that is come with the antenna. This antenna, this router can be connected through wire or through wireless laptop, your mobile devices, that and all. This is a simple diagram about that. And just you no need to go for more in depth of about that. How it is the connectivity, that only I'm trying to show that. You should understand. Right. Today, so there is internet users every year increasing, millions and trillions of like that is increasing, any like that is keep on increasing. Particularly in India, we are in another few years we will going to cross the China also. If you want to understand what is the today's situation, you can go and see this internetlivestates.com website. In that you come to know how many internet users in the world currently. You can see the count. It will give the dynamic count. This the present how much count is it will show. Total number of websites in the country and in the world. How many people currently using the emails? Google. How many people is searching the Google searches? Blog, Twitter, like that. You can see the various information in the world. How much is going on? So this link will give you some clarity about the what is the status of in the globe, the usage of the internet and usage of the email, website, that and all. This is for information. And next, what are the various types of website? Actually, website UG, yes, you have to understand what is a website. I will tell you that. Website is one portal. In that all our information, you see earlierly, you can see that any company person, they will give one pamphlet, 2-page pamphlet or 4-page pamphlet, or some big page like that, A3 page like that. They will give all the information in the page, and they will circulate in the paper. They will circulate through the any X and Y vendors. But after the development of internet and websites, so all the things they developed as a digital page and put it in the one common area, that is called the websites. The designing pages all is called the web pages. So website is nothing but it is your another what to say, we can say the any prospectus, you can say the souvenir, you can say any information portal. That is the website. Okay, so in that website you can put it in that. For that, the data can be accessed anywhere in the world for what you need from that company. If time permits, that also I will show how this website turned out. There is a different types of website. You can understand. You are browsing many websites. For example, you are going Yahoo, Gmail, and many blog sites, many, because of many sites you are visiting. In that also there is a category is there. What is the type of categories? If you want to make your personal information to be developed, that is called the personal website. Some websites like the Picasso and many websites, they developed only for the photo sharing websites. You see, for example, if you want to take, you are taking many number of photos in your mobile and store it in your hard disk or mobile laptop. Instead of that, you can put it in a maybe on common portal. You can access anytime, because there are all many companies giving the free access. So this is also to be this is another one. Whatever you are putting that, the images also may be very careful about that, because we are using the third party portals, even though they give the rules and regulation and security terms and condition laws, everything, because we are not reading anything, because only giving click next is okay, that's all. Whereas the too many terms and conditions are there, so you have to read it, and based on that you can use it. But this is option, that is a photo sharing website are there. Then writers, authors, they can create their website like that. Writers and authors websites, and community building website like us, like many, like association of our AACI.in, AACI.co.in. This is the community, that is what the association, but it's a community related also, they can do that. Then mobile device website, only you can know, understand about the mobile, whatever you want, everything is available in that. And another one, blogs. Many people aware about that, they are writing blogs, because you see, our maybe my father and grandfather, they have the plenty of information in their, maybe in their notes. They keep on writing. Many good informations are there, but so in that you can also make that one usable for others, make it a digital format and put it in the blogs. This is a very information, very useful to many people. In future, if anybody need, you can make a payment and get it done. And the blogs, many social related information, people are writing blogs, and they are putting, the millions of people seeing that, utilizing, they are giving comments. So this is a blog website. Then informational websites are there. Information websites is just like for our normal websites. So any information want, they can see in that, no need to go on and keep on. For example, from Mumbai, one the guy is asking, sir, give some information about it. We can send this link only. AAC.in, just send it, sir, go through that, everything is available in the website. Simple. Instead of that, you don't want to give all the things, what us, about us, and things, who are directors, who are district people, nothing you want to, because everything in a single line, they will get it. They can browse and see. There's the informational websites. Then online business brochures, catalogs, many the brochures, templates they are developing, they are selling through the onlines. Even today, you have the product, you can put it in Amazon and you can sell it. They are getting some few commissions, and they are paying to you back some terms and condition. Today's online businesses increase any like that. Even from small business to big business, they are involving in the online business. So you can understand. Only thing you have to think it about that, what's the product and how it is, how you can make it. Just in that scenario, you should keep some your well-known people to guide you, because for each and everything you need some expertise to go, and some information to be known for do all the business. And directory websites is just like our what is the yellow pages or telephone directories, like that are things, all the information is available in that. So that is the one. And e-commerce websites, what you are now today you are buying in all the online, so like we give flipper.com, Many things we are buying from online Amazon. So e-commerce websites today, e-commerce website is even small company, they have the product. Suppose you have the product in your hand. Anybody you want to do some cooking recipe, you want to sell it, you can do formula, you have to do that, you can do that. You can fix on some price. If they need, they can pay and get it. Even you just tell them, I can teach you. You can pay money with this one. This everything is a digital. That's all. It's a simple e-commerce website is help you to do that. Small businesses or big one, or very big one. So next, what are the social media generally you know? So almost you know this LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp. Is a Telegram and WhatsApp just like our WhatsApp link, and YouTube is a channel oriented. Generally, you are all expertised in the Facebook because everybody using. I hope so. Maybe most of them Facebook, and in that, all each and every company giving the different services and for the people to utilize. Facebook in all type of categories, people will travel in that from lower to higher. So you can do all sort of video sharings of photos. Even you can do the digital marketing. You can sell your product. If you have any product in your hand, you can put it in that. You can sell it. By you can create a lead and you can conversion as a customer. You can sell that. That is all things happen in the Facebook. That is called organic and inorganic. They will tell. Organic in the sense generally what you are posting after creating your Facebook account. Generally you are putting your ad, somebody will see and call you, sir, I need your product, I can pay and get it. That's suppose you want to do, you want to, because you only starting from today means this is very few people only come to know. Suppose I want to make it today, I want to reach 5,000 people, my product I have to reach 5,000 people. There is option, you can pay to the Facebook. Yeah, somebody speaking. So you can pay to the Facebook and you can reach your advertisement 5,000 or 10,000 people within 2 or 3 days. You can get to the lead. You can make it today. Most during this COVID time, most of the business is happening through this online Facebook. Many things happening. This is the information. Like Instagram also same like that they are using. Twitter is only for the mid and high level peoples. They can professional peoples. They are want to communicate with a minimum level of sentences, and for that Twitter. Even you see in the honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi is using effectively Twitter. He is having a very big followers in that. He is giving a reply for that. And LinkedIn is the professional people having in that, because all the professional people in the world you can identify in the LinkedIn. Nowadays, many companies for marketing, they are hitting that website and getting the all professional people from that for the conversion of their businesses. You see, for example, each and every person have the more than 500 of people of 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 people of followers, because of their experiences, their knowledge. Many people need a support. They will access and getting the sharing the information. That also, if they agree, then only it is possible. Because LinkedIn is a very professional portal. People can use. Telegram is just like a WhatsApp. This is developed by in us. What is that? Locally we can use it. This we are developing in India. And WhatsApp, now you know very well, in each and every message for going, I'm going, and coming, I'm coming, like that for each and every things you are typing in the WhatsApp. Be careful, because all the information what you are posting in the WhatsApp is very sensitive, and we cannot trust many people, because what you are posting, like suppose for example credentials, bank informations, don't post it in your WhatsApp. Just give some general information, don't give more information about your personal. You see, this all is going to other servers and the traveling in the various areas, because our security we have to take care of that. Nobody will come and say, sir, You have to be like, take care of your things. Nobody will come and say. If you want to travel on the road, you have to take care of, you have to understand the rules and regulation of the road. You have to travel properly. So that like that, you have to make yourself very cautious. Whatever technology today is going on the fancy way, because now selfie is making very worst condition today. So that is all good. Is no, I'm not telling you no need it, but use it in proper way. That is the one I want to guide you. And another one, YouTube. YouTube is a very powerful media, powerful portal. If you have the YouTube account in you, with you, just like your TV channel, just like your TV channel. Now we created a YouTube for our association of the IACI. Nowadays, we are all the important recorded programs we are uploading in that. In that, we can come to know how many people saw that, how many people subscribed, how many people visited region wise. I can see, and you can see the analysis in that also. So this is for just information. Think it about that, how you can utilize for your development, how you are useful for your business improvement. This all technology is used for the our difficult things to make simple, not for the fancy, not for the others of appreciation. Please keep it in mind. Today is a cyber security, cyber law is following is a very less percentage in India. Be careful about that. Then right. So we can understand now what is the social media, so how it is formed. First, the social media concept first developed and introduced in 1997 by the social media. The 6 degrees launches that one. After that, many things has happened. In 2002, the Finder set launched and 2002, like that of continuously. Facebook entered 2008. So Twitter is launched 2006. This and all you should understand. You see, this and all you want to, just for a namesake, you can understand. You see, that's all the years they mentioned. LinkedIn almost 2002. So this is their travel. This is, I noted up to 2015. Even this 2021 is there. So then maybe in forthcoming I can show that also. So this is for your understanding in which area, which country, which year that is launched. Then it's Instagram. You see 2010. So like that, the snapshot launched 2011. So this is for your information. Then what is the use of the social media? I told you already what social media. This portal is for the benefits like build relationships. Just you want to build a relationship, or if you want to do the business, if you want to make a friendship, you have to build a relationship. For that, you need some portal. In such these things only that came for this social media like LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, so Twitter, like that. So social media is not just about your brands connecting with their customers. You share your expertise. For example, you have unique knowledge in your, or somebody is maybe cooking, they are very expert. Somebody they are in yoga, somebody they are in the they are stylish, and many this textile designings. Each and everybody have the unique their expertise, unique interest, even photography. So many uniqueness you can market yourself. Today you have everything. You don't say, sir, I didn't get this facility, I didn't get shop, I didn't get advance loan, nothing. Today only you should have only your mobile. If extra need means keep it on laptop, that's all, and internet is enough for you. Today you can do business from your own, from your home, and do business throughout the world. There is no limitation. Today you see, due to the Zoom virtual meeting, so all the people pan India, all the people from the globe sitting in all the areas and listening. This is the technology. So anybody want to do business is a very simple. So you can have only your mobile or laptop is enough, and internet is enough. Today, all the MSME also giving all sort of startup facilities, particularly ladies. They are getting more benefit. Only thing they have to go and approach it and get it done. Anybody you want to get some idea from the MSME? I am working closely. I am working as a coordinator for the MSME. You can get the information from me also. So increase your visibility. Just think it about out of the box. Educate yourself. Learn. There is many things, learnings. During this pandemic period, is from last March to this, various universities gave the free education. Even you, Oxford University, you can do some free courses. How many people know? Many people did certifications during this period because the price is drastically reduced. So think it about that. I want to enlighten for you that's all. So think it about. Then connect anytime. So this is the one I want to say that. And now you have to understanding about the domain. You know this actually you are telling all the website names. What is that? So you are telling yahoo.com, gmail.com. What is there? This and all. What is why need? See, this is the address for our website. Whatever website you need a one name. For example, you are calling me as a Senthil Kumar. Senthil Kumar is me. That's all. The same like that, your website name need like AACI.in. If I type it AACI.in, that denotes my Association of Alliance Club International. So for that, this domain name is a unique. Once you taken that name, nobody take the duplicate ID. This is the registered body is there. They only is assigning this. So keep it in mind for this domain name. There is a behind there is IP address or there. So the during that IP address, because the IP address you cannot type it 199.162.1.9. Nobody can keep it in mind. For Gmail, I can give some 201 like that. Nobody will keep it in mind. If you type gmail.com, that will conversation a number, IP address. It will go and get the website and throw to you. So domain name is nothing but your website name. That's all. There is a various extension. You saw that because due to non-availability of things before and all, listen, many .coms we taken because everybody asking a .com, then that you cannot get. The .com is nothing but the commercial. For example, we tried AACI.in.com, we didn't get. So we what is available? Then we taken AACI.in. In is denotes India. So okay, like that. So network related .net they will keep. So like that various .org, that is called a non-profitable organization. They always use .org websites. So from the name itself, they can understand this is a non-profitable organization. This is a commercial organization. .edu.in, this is education university education handling that like that. This ICANN, International Corporation of Assigned Names and Numbers. So they are taking care of all the regulations. And next, if you see that in India, the top 10 search engines in India, you can see the Google live.com. Today, everybody knows Google. Whatever is just typing Google, that's all. Google is throwing all the information to you. Like that, many search engines are there, like live, alexa.com, Baidu, Bing, Yahoo, Ask. So you can go through that and all. So this all the search engines specialized because of their retrieving speed. How much you are asking, how much speed you are getting. That is based on that is getting familiar. Then another big one is now is the people speaking about the digital marketing. Actually, those maybe 2000, 2010, 2000 on that time, we will call it as not a digital marketing. We will say that a digital skill. Today, this digital marketing is a buzzword in all the areas. Everybody, even small grocery shop is they are telling, sir, yeah, I have to do digital marketing for promotion. The digital marketing is nothing but is the promotion of product or brands via one or more forms of electronic media and differ from traditional marketing. Traditional marketing, what you are doing, you are having that shop, you are say preparing the product, you are selling the product, customer has to come. You are for customer pulling, you are putting in the board and advertisement. Many things are there. This is the traditional method. So you see, there's the vegetable market. They have the shop. They put it all the information. That is what is that all the items. The who and all come to the market, they will buy it. But this has happened is convert to the digital. It's that area people only. For example, in Mumbai or maybe Chennai or Vizag, is a particular market. There is many markets, particular market who's near to that people only go and get it. But if the same guy is selling to the digital marketing sale, that guy will sell throughout the pan India. They can sell for any end area of the India. If that's maybe his budget is process, the budget will work it out. Because all the facilities available, the transit, traveling, everything is there. Only thing you have to enroll your things in the digital one. That's all. Even you see, you don't believe, even small business people, they are doing remotely. They don't have the shop, they don't have nothing, only laptop, internet, they're digital. That's all. They are spending some money for the digital marketing. This digital marketing is in that thing, but you are putting all the information in the social media and reaching the people. The reaching the people in the sense, not only your local people. You can, for example, you can sell local people or other state, other country, you can sell anywhere. You can have this even regional, you can fix your area where you want to sell it. So digital marketing is a very big topic, big area. If you want to take it, I can take it digital marketing throughout the day. That much, because there are more than 87 categories of areas are there. You can do that. So I'm moving to next slide. So this is the digital marketing. So under the one, these are the things are there. You have to travel all the, you know, this, you see this, all the logos, some of the things you don't know also. Maybe Twitter, Google and YouTube, almost you travel in this area. The Steve Jobs, innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. That's all. Is simple word, you have to keep it in mind. So next, then why digital marketing? Why we want to go for digital marketing? See, it's a traditional method. The company has the marketing guys. So you're giving the target, that guy is taking that product, you are training that guy to how to sell it, and you are making them all the equip is traveling from one area to another area. And we don't have any track records. What is telling, that is the record for you. Because I am not telling all the people do a mistake. So one people doing mistake, 99 people will suffer. But in this, the companies already, they started to use the digital marketing because they need the right information, right data. So in that, there is no, maybe the data maybe drops. For example, you have the marketing guys, that guy is getting the good salary in another company is moved. You don't have that there, what he followed and what he did in some record, maybe some information. Even some companies, they are using CRM, and some of the companies, they are using their catching of other areas. So other areas. So in that, what will say, in that marketing guys is how much data they are giving, we don't know, but we have to believe. And in this digital marketing, you can see in the dashboard today you are posting one ad for your product. So you can come to know the same dashboard. So how many people they saw that. So in that, how many male or female, which region, which particular district, how many people saw, why didn't other district, why not they didn't seen that. You can see all in the analysis report in your dashboard. That is the beauty of the digital marketing. You can see the result, a plus or minuses. You have the rights to take some decision in the right time. So this digital marketing makes cost cutting first, and tracking what is happening. So what is happening? You suppose you are sending all the information. So the marketing guy is going there and maybe he's sharing all the information. You can track it, whether he did or not. So within how many days that is a lead is converted as a Paka customer. So you can track it. And target audience, you can fix your target audience. Your audience may be 18 to 25. Your audience may be in the Mumbai. Your audience may be in the Chennai or Vizag. You can fix the target audience and interactive. You can make interactions. Then digital revolution in that, and better ROI. Whatever you are spending for the digital marketing, the return of investment in you write and keep, you will get definitely more than what you are investing. The time saving, cost saving, many things are there. So there is many information. This is the one you can just keep it in mind. And these are the some words, just you can read it out. Is what is this and all. Generally, you can see that in the website planning and creation, search engine optimization. The search engine optimization is, I will tell you something, for the digital marketing. For example, you are having the one textile industry. You want to make more customers to buy that. So suppose what I am telling, sir, I my product this is a bangle. You take some bangle or maybe a ring or anything. This is the specialty, diamond ring or maybe gold ring. So in this, who and all customer searching in the website Google, the ring, what is a jewelry in near to my area or near to this best ring sellers, best price. There is a keywords are there. If they type it, your website will come in the first. For that, you have to do the search engine optimization based on your keywords. This is possible. This will, if you start now, it will not giving immediate result, but it have to do organically, because there is a many people doing inorganic by using the software. Sometimes this will reflect in the bad way. They will block your website. So always think it about that. Don't believe many people, sir, I will make it within a month. So within the 15 days, don't believe. This is a little time. Definitely take.
You're not audible.
Are you hearing?
Yes, now it's okay.
Yeah, okay. So anybody is committing is a minimum level of days, don't accept it, because it will take definitely minimum 1 month, 3 months for doing all this process. So like this pay per click advertisement, anything you put a banner, so per click you have to pay, so you will get the leads like that. I told you Google Analytics, your product, what is the range of your product, how much maybe they interested, many things you can see in the Google Analytics. And social media marketing, each and every Facebook running their paid version of social media marketing. Like that email marketing, you want to send your product information for 10,000 people, you can send it at a time 10,000 people through that email marketing, but you cannot do in our normal emails, because the Troy and other people regulation body will catch you what you are doing. So the keep it in mind that and all. Online display advertisement, e-commerce marketing, lead generation business, mobile marketing, content marketing, online reputation management. Reputation management, anybody making you maybe some wrong information about that, you can track that. And you don't know maybe what is happening there, you have to do that and all. They will say ORM, online reputation management. You have to keep it your familiarity properly in proper audience comments. Then affiliate marketing, anybody referring your product, so you have to give some percentage of for that guys to increase your customer strength and making money. So many, these are some inputs for you, and these are some examples of how this maybe all the advertisements and so how to do that for shoe selling, many things. If you go in depth, you can understand many.
Sir, your voice.
Are you hearing now? Okay, sir.
Voice is not coming.
No, now it's okay. Hello.
Now okay. Yes.
Now okay, right. Maybe signal miss getting. Is this a problem started just few minutes back only, right?
Yes.
Right. So then.
Yes.
So I'm keeping end now. So anybody have the question and answer? I can ready to answer, because this is, see, the individual has to take responsibility and handle properly. Technology always good, because I will tell a best example. A.R. Rahman. So he is also a musician. He worked with Ilayaraja. So he's utilized the technology by implementing the signals in the digital form and made effective that signal, and maximum he utilized the technology, and output is a very 10x improvement we enjoyed. Now he became a very in top level of music director person like that. Anybody holding the technology, you don't need to follow your business continuously. The system will run. This you have to make your company and the system implementation. Then you can concentrate for the other businesses. Otherwise, it will keep on your attention always need.
Sir,
So
again
you
break.
we cannot do
There is
anything.
some issue with the volume, I think.
Right.
Signal.
So maybe no, not volume, maybe signal. I think so.
Senthilji, you're not
Right.
audible.
So are you okay, sir?
Yes, now now
No, it is breaking now. Okay.
okay.
Okay. I have to very come
Audio and
closely.
video sometimes it is stacked.
Okay. Right. So I will do one thing. I'll stop my video. Then you can get the clarity some more. Now it's okay.
Okay.
Right. So anybody want to understand? See, if you see, I'm having the many topics. If you want to discuss IT infrastructure, you want to make a understand any digital marketing, you want to understand any Zoom, anything you want to understand. So you can approach me. I can make a explanation about that. In that, I want to show you one demo about how this what is that LinkedIn, how is the Facebook. Just I will show because everybody know that, but anyway, just who don't know, I can share that. So here I can recap all the things also. 1 minute. Uh, right, I will stop and share my. Yeah, I am showing my LinkedIn. Actually, this is my LinkedIn profile. Sir, are you audible? Sir, audible?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. See, this is my LinkedIn page.
Yes.
Okay, this is my LinkedIn page. You see, I am the IT industry professional. I created this LinkedIn, and in the name of you see that is Sindhil Kumar. That all the names I can put all the information or the expertise in my area. You see my connections. You see more than a 500 plus. The people linking with me more than 500, and almost 5,000 people they are reaching me in all the ways. Right. So these are this LinkedIn give the professional connectivity not only for your friendship level, your career level, or for business purpose also. So you can make it. You see many of the people there, you can see that many people they are requesting to accept it. They send some information to me. Sir, I am the same related business like that. I have to, if you want, I can accept it. So my all my important certifications and all the thing I can post it in that, because this is worldwide. People see that. You see my notification will come, my network. So my all the awards, everything, what are the things I am taking care, everything is available in this. You see almost my dashboard 456 people's viewed my profile now, the 258 post views and like that of things. We can make it including my company and my experiences, everything I can use for this. So this is a separate one. This LinkedIn usage is very effective. You will be in a professional way of connectivity. You can start use of this because all the professionals maximum they will be maximum concentrate in the LinkedIn only. And Facebook account in the all the area segment you will get it, but in that professional peoples they won't travel more in that. So that is the information I want to give you. And in the sense I'm not telling you this nobody use that also, because that is also they can use, but depends upon the ratio. I'm telling that this also creation is very easy. Only thing should have the email and your phone number. You can upload your information and even profile. and automatically, because this will get weightage because how many people approaching you, how many people accessed you. You can also write the blog. You can also clarify other people doubts. So see, this is my all my cybersecurity strategy certifications and many things, and I loaded in that, because in that area anybody need means definitely they will call and approach me. I will give the guidance for them. So these are the areas I mentioned that my company, my what I am strategist doing, digital transformation. I'm speaker in the technology speaker in the almost more than various industry, pan India, industry 4.0, how to implement it. Before COVID also, I visited Mumbai, Jugu, Hotel. They arranged almost 150 core companies. They came and I gave the industry 4.0 how to implement it. So like this will give the more visibility and give professional link. At the same time, you will also get valuable people. For example, I need a one research guy from France, from the Israel. I can get it immediately. I don't want to go and search it, sir. My friend Israel, somebody is recommend. I can do that. Not like that. I can get it a fraction of second within a 1 or 2 to 3 minutes like that. So this is a professional area. You can use it. The Facebook is another way of use it. So you have to select which one you want to use, right? And I think so. I taken more than 45 minutes. I think so. So sorry for the time delays. And my recap is, I told as earlier, I told this first meeting, that is topic itself. I taken the understanding internet and web. What is that? Website what? Domain what is that? Types of website I told, social media, digital marketing, cyber security, and cyber security is another big area. So I told a few information about the cyber security, because you have to be very careful, because many big companies hacked by the various countries like China and Israel and Nigeria, like that of thing area. The servers hacked. I handle various project like that of thing. Maybe hacked a website. We recovered from their hacking control. So we have to be very careful in that. Cyber security today is a very big one, because everybody have the devices. Only thing you don't know how to use it and how to safeguard your devices and data. Data is today is just like oil price. Your data is a very expensive. So that for that data only people spending more money for that. So be careful about your data. Keep it your information very safely. So that is the one I want to tell. This is my recap, and I covered almost all. I'm the Six Sigma trainer, industry 4.0 in various industry company. I am the black belt certified guy. I am giving consultation for the various industry, how to implement and process improvement. At the same time, the lean reducing. Actually, they will say the 5S lean, that one. That also I am doing that. So this is my card. Thanks for this opportunity, Rajesh sir, because I have the plenty of information, but my due to time, I'm comprised, and I'm giving this information. Anybody want, you take snapshot, any technology website and is cyber security oriented, you can approach me. I can guide you, and even your day-to-day technology issues, your server, cloud server, on-prem server, so you can access me. So I can guide. I am doing the various technology training also. So in future, maybe anything's like that occasion, maybe I will join once again and come and meet all you. Thanks for the opportunity. Then as question and answer, anybody have the question and answer? Rajesh sir, anybody want to?
Thank you, Senthil. Before they ask any question, there's one question from my side to all participants.
Great.
Can you name our website name?
Okay.
Name of our website. Any participant?
AACI.in.
No, not your. No. It's a
Which one?
question to you, all the participants, sir. Not to you. Let them answer.
Sir, you can ask another domain name also is there.
Yeah. Let them answer.
AACI.in.
You can type the answer, madam.
Okay.